Welcome to our latest video where we bring you the top 8 best drone on Aliexpress under $30. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into the world of aerial photography or an experienced pilot on a budget, we've got you covered with some incredible options that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of affordable drones together. All the links are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell. Let's go! Introducing the MIJIA G6 Pro Drone, the perfect companion for professional aerial photography enthusiasts. Let's dive into the amazing features of this cutting-edge drone. Equipped with an 8K 5G GPS professional HD aerial photography quadrotor, the MIJIA G6 Pro Drone takes your photography to new heights. Featuring multiple high-tech components such as an altitude-setting pressure sensor for precise control, an optical flow localization locator for accurate positioning, and brushless motors for smooth operation. With omnidirectional obstacle avoidance technology, the MIJIA G6 Pro Drone ensures a safe and stable flight experience. Take control with ease using the remote control powered by AAA batteries. Plus, enjoy a control distance of up to 5,000 meters with no interference. Capture breathtaking moments with the self-stabilizing electronic image stabilization lens, providing crystal clear images and videos in 8K resolution. Weighing only 132 g, the MIJIA G6 Pro Drone is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. Experience up to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge and recharge in just 1 hour using the USB charging port. With a high-resolution 8K HD camera and adjustable camera lens, capture every detail with stunning clarity. The 90 degrees camera angle gives you the perfect shot every time. Utilize gesture shooting and video recognition within 1,500 meters, and enjoy Wi-Fi image transmission up to 1,500 meters with no interference. This drone has 4.6 rating and 170+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your photography game with the MIJIA G6 Pro Drone. Discover a whole new perspective with every flight. Get yours today. Introducing the M4RC drone, your gateway to professional-grade aerial photography right at your fingertips. Equipped with cutting-edge features and advanced technology, the M4RC drone is set to elevate your photography and videography experience to new heights. Featuring a 4K Triple HD camera with a wide-angle lens, the M4RC drone ensures crystal-clear footage and stunning visuals every time. With optical flow positioning for enhanced stability and obstacle avoidance on all sides, you can navigate with confidence and precision. The 4-pass band gyroscope guarantees smooth and steady flights. Take your creativity to the next level with one-click takeoff and landing, 360-degree rolls in all directions, and versatile flight modes including forward, backward, left, right, up, down, and more. Explore the skies with ease using the headless mode feature, while enjoying additional functionalities such as gesture photography, video recording, music playback, and fun big head stickers to personalize your shots. Whether you're a seasoned drone pilot or a beginner looking to delve into aerial photography, the M4RC drone is your ultimate companion for capturing unforgettable moments from a whole new perspective. This drone has 4.5 rating and 5,000+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. M4RC drone, redefining aerial photography. Order yours today and soar to new heights. Introducing the LS Mini Drone, your gateway to high-flying adventures. Packed with cutting-edge features, the LS Mini Drone is not your ordinary flying gadget. Equipped with a 4K professional 1080p HD camera and Wi-Fi FPV, capture breathtaking moments with crystal-clear precision. With air pressure altitude hold, experience stable and precise flight control like never before. Its foldable quadcopter design ensures portability, making it an ideal travel companion for on-the-go adventures. Perform aerobatic stunts effortlessly with the LS Mini Drone, from 360-degree rolls to seamless takeoffs and landings at the click of a button. Perfect for beginners and seasoned flyers alike, immerse yourself in a world of fun and creativity with this amazing RC drone toy. Dive into a world of possibilities with advanced functions like gesture photography, video recording, music, and even big head stickers for added entertainment. This drone has 4.7 rating and 900+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your drone experience with the LS Mini Drone, where innovation meets excitement. Get yours today and soar to new heights. LS Mini Drone, unleash your imagination from the skies above. Introducing the XD1 Architecture Drone. With its professional-grade 8K HD camera, this mini UAV drone is designed to capture stunning images and videos with unparalleled clarity. Featuring the XD1 Architecture Drone, it's equipped for smooth operation with functions like up/down, front/back, left/right turn, lateral flight, and more. Navigate with ease using headless mode and height hold mode for a seamless flying experience. Experience real-time Wi-Fi FPV with dual lens function and manual lens adjustment to capture every angle perfectly. Measuring at just 12 cm, 12 cm, 7 cm, the XD1 Architecture Drone is compact yet powerful, ready to accompany you on your adventures. Suitable for pilots aged 14 and above, the XD1 comes with a 2.4G receiver frequency and uses AAA batteries for remote control. Powered by a 716 hollow cup motor and offering lens options of 4K, 6K, and 8K, the XD1 ensures you capture every detail in high definition. This drone has 4.2 rating and 423 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Get ready to elevate your aerial photography game with the XD1 Architecture Drone. Order yours today and soar to new heights. XD1 Architecture Drone. Unleash your creativity from the sky. Introducing the E99 Pro FPV Drone, your ultimate companion for capturing stunning aerial footage with ease. Let's dive into the fantastic features of this cutting-edge drone. Equipped with a wide-angle HD 4K camera, the E99 Pro delivers unparalleled clarity in your aerial shots. With its 2-axis gimbal, say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to cinematic quality shots. The E99 Pro's foldable design and feather lightweight make it a breeze to carry and set up for flight anywhere you go. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned flyer, the E99 Pro's remote control and height hold function ensure a smooth and stable flying experience every time. Capture your adventures in breathtaking detail with the E99 Pro FPV Drone, where every flight is a new opportunity for creativity and exploration. This drone has 3.8 rating and 380 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Get your hands on the E99 Pro FPV Drone today and elevate your aerial photography game to new heights. Order now and let your imagination soar. E99 Pro FPV Drone. Unleash your aerial creativity. Introducing the S6 Max drone, the ultimate companion for capturing stunning visuals with ease. With an 8K professional 4K HD camera, the S6 Max drone lets you capture every detail in stunning clarity. From 4K to 8K video recording, this drone ensures that your footage is nothing short of breathtaking. Say goodbye to obstacles getting in the way of your photography sessions. The S6 Max drone comes equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring smooth and safe aerial photography every time. Its foldable design makes it convenient to carry around, perfect for on-the-go adventurers and travel enthusiasts. Thanks to its GPS positioning mode, the S6 Max drone offers precise and stable flight control, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. Connect the S6 Max drone to your smartphone via the 5G Wi-Fi function and experience seamless real-time transmission of photos and videos. Share your adventures instantly with friends and family. With a 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance of up to 5,000 meters, the sky is no longer the limit. Explore the world from above and unlock endless possibilities with the S6 Max drone. This drone has 4.4 rating and 5,000 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. S6 Max drone. Elevate your perspective and capture moments like never before. Get yours today and soar to new heights. Introducing the P10 Drone, your ultimate flying companion, equipped with cutting-edge features to capture breathtaking moments from above. Let's dive into the astounding features of the P10 Drone that set it apart from the rest. Equipped with a high-definition 4K camera and Wi-Fi FPV, the P10 Drone ensures crystal-clear aerial shots and real-time transmission right to your mobile device. The P10 Drone features foldable arms for easy portability, making it your perfect travel companion wherever your adventures take you. Experience intelligent obstacle avoidance on the front, left, and right sides, ensuring a safe and seamless flight experience every time. Enjoy the convenience of headless mode, one-click takeoff/landing/return, and a built-in 8K pixel camera for capturing stunning visuals from the sky. Engage in immersive VR 3D experiences and effortlessly create captivating MV productions with the P10 Drone's cutting-edge technology. Seamlessly draw flight paths on your screen and watch as the P10 Drone autonomously navigates along the designated route with precision and accuracy. With a 3.7 volts 1800 mAh modular battery, enjoy up to 10 minutes of continuous flight time, ensuring you never miss a moment of aerial exploration. This drone has 4.3 rating and 1,000 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your aerial adventures with the P10 Drone, where innovation meets performance and creativity takes flight. Get your P10 Drone today and capture the world from a whole new perspective. Introducing the E88 Pro Drone, your gateway to professional HD aerial photography and exhilarating flying experiences. With its cutting-edge features and robust construction, the E88 Pro Drone is the perfect companion for all your aerial adventures. Crafted from high-strength engineering plastics, this GPS quadcopter is both lightweight and resilient, ensuring durability and stability during flight. The E88 Pro Drone is designed to be compact and travel-friendly, with foldable arms for convenient storage and transport. Featuring a 4-channel remote control system, this drone allows for precise maneuvering with functions like ascend, descend, forward, backward, and even 360 degrees rolling. Equipped with powerful 816 coreless motors and a 3.7 volts 800 mAh battery, the E88 Pro Drone offers a smooth and stable flight experience for up to 8 minutes on a single charge. Experience the thrill of aerial photography like never before with the E88 Pro Drone's optional 4K dual camera setup, complete with music zoom function for added creativity. Navigate through the skies with ease using features such as headless mode and one-key automatic return, while enjoying seamless connectivity with the two. 4GHz anti-interference technology. This drone has 4.2 rating and 5,000 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your perspective and unlock a world of possibilities with the E88 Pro Drone, where innovation meets adventure. Get your hands on the E88 Pro Drone today and soar to new heights of creativity and exploration. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.